All right, fam, we're gonna start this recipe. We gotta get our macaroni noodles, pasta in this pot. So we're gonna salt our water, and I'm rolling with some sea salt today, and then I got a pound of elbow mac, right? And we're gonna cook these al dente. And then while we let those cook al dente, hey, we're gonna go ahead and put in our eggs and get you a spider, man. Worst thing you can happen is dropping those eggs in there and then you let one crack and then they're open. So we'll let these cook and then we'll let that cook and then we'll be ready to go. We'll shock this with some cold water, cool them down, and then we'll put those eggs in an ice bath and we'll be on our way to make some absolutely delicious macaroni salad. Now we got this pasta cooked where we want it to be. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shock these with some cold water to stop the cooking process. Then once we got these cool, we'll let these sit and then they'll, continue to cool, but you don't want these to continue to cook and then they'll become mushy on you. You'll start losing your texture. We're gonna get our ice bath ready for our eggs. And then we're gonna bring in our eggs and let them let's chill, let's settle down. Cause that's what we want them to do. Hey, y'all don't remember that song right there. Hey, if you remember that song, hey, hit me in the comments. Tell me who sung that song and then go play it for me. So we'll let these chill out, let these cool, let them stop cooking. And then, hey, let's go ahead and get into our veggies. And while we let everything chill and settle down, hey, you already see I got some of my celery already diced up. But we'll go ahead and dice up some celery. I'm working with about 3 ribs of celery, and you really want to get it, not big pieces, big chunks of celery, but enough that you get a bite in every bite of this macaroni salad. So this will be good right here. And as you can see, it's not too big. And if you really wanted to, you can come back and, just kind of dice it up a little bit finer if you like. Go with your personal preference. Again, this your show, this your kitchen. Hey, I'm just trying to get you in the game. And then we got a red bell pepper and a red onion. We'll do the same to both of those. We'll get these diced up and then we'll see you guys after we get all this ready to go. Now also for this recipe, I'm gonna add cheese into my macaroni salad. Now I got 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. And you probably ask, man, what happened to the other 4 ounces? Because they come in 8-ounce blocks. Hey, I made an absolutely delicious tater tot breakfast casserole, and that's where the other half of this cheddar cheese went to. That'll get you in the game early in the morning, but this right here will get you in the game for these cookouts, right? Cookout season. So what we want to do is we want to cut these down, and then I want to come back and then cube, these pieces of cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna come down just like that, right down the middle, and then I'm gonna come back and then we'll just get these diced up like that. I got my cheese cubed up and I really gotta work fast so I don't eat those cheese cubes, but I do have this boneless ham steak, right? This is honey cured, and these ingredients right here, the cheese and the ham, hey, it's optional, so you can keep that out of your macaroni salad if you like. And then you just get you a piece like that. And I said, man, I gotta work fast because your boy already snacking. All right, that's good right there. All I need is some crackers, man. Hey, and then you got an adult Lunchable right there. Now we want to go ahead and make our dressing, and I'm going in with my mayo, and I want to go with about 3/4 of a cup to almost a cup of mayo, which would do. Then I'm gonna come back with a 1.5 tablespoons of sour cream. Then I'm gonna hit it with a teaspoon of yellow mustard. I'm gonna come back in with about 1 tablespoon of sugar, and that's an actual tablespoon and not a southern tablespoon. A southern tablespoon is almost 1/2 cup. Now I'm gonna come back with some onion powder, about 1 teaspoon of that. I'm gonna do the same with garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of that also. Now to season this up, to give it a little bit of flavor, I'm gonna come back with about a couple of teaspoons of Creole seasoning, not too much because we don't want it, you know, too spicy. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Just give it that tangy taste. A little bit of pepper, not too much, so about a half a teaspoon will do. And then we're gonna go in with some salad cubes. You can go with relish if you want a sweeter taste, but these will give me, you know, a little bit bigger profile of, you know, what I'm looking for. So also too, you don't see me draining the juice, so putting in about 3-4 tablespoons of this salad cubes along with the juice of it too. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and get everything mixed in before we start adding in our other ingredients. And then at this time, hey, go ahead and give this a taste, because if you need to adjust it to your liking, then definitely do so at this time while you got the chance. I got my eggs, and I'm just gonna cut these up, and we'll come. Just be careful. Hey, don't cut them like me. But you know, I'm just looking at pressure wise. I know what not to, how far to take this, but just use a cutting board if you need to. You know, OGs back in the day, grandma, mama, hey, they just use their hand like that. And then just get these into your macaroni salad mixture. We'll get that other egg, and then we'll do the same thing. Hey, we'll be in the game. Now I have seen some people, you know, they take their egg yolk and they'll mix it in with the actual dressing, and then it becomes like a smooth, you know, comes in and it works in with the dressing. You can do that if you like. Now we got the eggs in there. We just get everything folded in here like that. And then we'll start adding in our other ingredients. So I'm gonna start off with, you know, just a little bit of that elbow macaroni coming back in. So I'm gonna do half of it at this time. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my other ingredients that we chopped up. Hey, we got that ham, we got our cheese, we got our onions, we got our bell pepper and celery. And then we just go to work, like I said, folding these ingredients in. And like I said, this is gonna make an absolutely delicious macaroni salad, fam. And then we'll get off underneath it, and then we'll make sure that it's starting to coat everything. And then at this time, I'm gonna add the rest of my elbow mac into this bowl. And then once you got everything mixed in, hey, I'm gonna be honest with you, you put this in the refrigerator and then let this sit and marinate, right? Once you do that, all those flavors start to come together. Give it a minimum of 4 hours. Don't touch it. I know it's tempting. Then you got yourself the ultimate delicious macaroni salad, fam. You already know your boy got to get him a taste test, and I'm gonna go in for it. Like I said, you got to let this thing sit in the fridge, let it marinate, man. Don't just go and try to get those flavors, you know what I'm saying? Here we go. Cheers, fam. Hey, it's nice, creamy. Flavors on point. And I just like the balance of the veggies with the cheese. And then you got that nice ham in there too. Hey, it complements all this very well. Hey, we're in the game. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take the time out and say thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Now, if you want to get in the game and stay in the game, hey, don't forget, on your way out, smash that subscribe button, then hit that like. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and tell them Coach Ike with Cooking with Mayo Focus got you in the game. Now, for my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, hey, you already know what your boy Coach Ike is about to do. Hey, I'm about to get back in the game, call some plays, and smash into this macaroni salad. And then until next time, hey, fam, hey, you always in the game. Yes, sir.